Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add smartphone frame on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Canva application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new design. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and for the ratio, I'm just going to choose for example video. Okay, and then I'm going to add a mobile frame or smartphone frame to this design. If we want to add smartphone frame or mobile frame, we can go to the elements, and then here you can scroll down until you find mockups. Okay, this one guys, you can choose mockups, and then I'm going to click on see all. And since we want to add a mobile frame or a smartphone's frame, we can select this category. I'm just going to click on see all to see all of the smartphones frame we can add to our design. And wait, I'm still looking for the best frame for my design. For example, this one. Okay, I'm going to add this frame to my design. We just need to click on the frame like this. Oops, oh my god, I added many times, so I'm going to delete it. All right, and then I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and we can add image to this frame. If you want to add image, you can go to the upload menu. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose image from here, for example this one, and I'm going to add the image to the frame. Okay, and hold on, it's still loading guys. All right, and this is the result. Okay, and then you can continue the editing on Canva. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add smartphone frame on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.